The content creation industry is a constantly evolving field, with new technologies, platforms, and tools emerging all the time. The rise of ChatGPT and other AI tools has the potential to completely overhaul the way content is created, distributed, and consumed. Whether you're looking to drive more traffic to your website, establish your brand, or create high-quality content, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. ChatGPT can be used to write scripts, compose music, create unique characters, and even generate entire worlds for video games and other forms of media. This is a huge advantage for the content creation industry as it accelerates the creative process and allows for more efficient and effective content creation. Not only that, but it can also assist with researching, brainstorming, writing, and editing. It uses advanced natural language processing technology to provide you with instant access to a wealth of information and can generate ideas for your content and provide suggestions for angles and approaches to take. So, how can you use ChatGPT to create content? The key is to give it good prompts. A prompt is simply a request for a specific type of content. Once you've given ChatGPT your prompt, it will generate a piece of content for you. Of course, you'll want to review the content and make any necessary edits before you use it. This makes the content creation process more streamlined and efficient, saving you time and effort. The impact of ChatGPT and AI on the content creation industry is undeniable, and it's important for us to consider the potential consequences and adapt to the changes that are to come. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to create high-quality content, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. The news industry is where all the organizations and individuals come together to produce and share news and news-related content. You know, like newspapers, TV news stations, and online news websites. They're all out there gathering information and reporting on all the latest events, issues, and trends happening around the world. You know how it can be tough to keep up with all the news that's out there? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes in. This powerful language generator model can quickly and accurately generate news articles and summaries on a wide range of topics. That means news organizations can produce more content in less time and stay on top of the fast-paced news cycle. With the ability to process so much information, ChatGPT can give news organizations an edge over the competition and provide their audiences with valuable insights and analysis. And let's not forget about personalized news feeds. ChatGPT can generate personalized news feeds tailored to the interest of the individual user. This allows news organizations to provide a more personalized experience for their audience, increasing engagement and building stronger relationships. All in all, ChatGPT is changing the game in the news industry. With its ability to generate high-quality content quickly and accurately, analyze data, and provide personalized news feeds, it's helping news organizations stay ahead of the curve and deliver more valuable insights to their audiences. So, you may be wondering how ChatGPT can be used in advertising. Well, let me tell you, it's pretty amazing. ChatGPT can generate text for ads, social media posts, email campaigns, and even entire ad campaigns. But as with any new technology, there are limitations. When it comes to using ChatGPT to help you create content, sales, and marketing materials, there are a few important things that you need to know. It does best when coming up with content and ideas from 2021 and before. This means that if you're in an industry that relies on cutting-edge technology or that changes quickly, there are going to be some limitations that you're going to need to work around. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it can help speed up the creative process. Simply enter your topic into the tool, and it will use its vast knowledge base to provide you with relevant and accurate information on the subject. This can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to conducting research for your ad campaign. ChatGPT is not a replacement for human creativity. It's a tool to help you get there faster. With the right approach and the right prompts, ChatGPT can help you create ad campaigns that are effective and efficient, and that is how ChatGPT is disrupting the advertising. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, making it easier and more convenient than ever before. But what if I told you that there's a new technology that could take e-commerce to the next level? ChatGPT can help people sell items in e-commerce. For example, let's say you want to create a custom sock brand. The first thing you need is a business plan, but you don't know where to start. Well, ChatGPT can help you build that plan in seconds, giving you a kickstart to research specific things and go in specific directions to help accelerate the process of growing your company. Now you might be thinking, okay, I have the description, but how the hell am I going to get the content for my website? Well, ChatGPT has got you covered there too. It can give you ideas on how to get scrappy, use stock footage, and reach out to influencers and content creators. And let's say you're looking to reach out to content creators for your e-commerce brand, but you've never reached out to one before. ChatGPT can even write an outreach script for you, like this one for reaching out to athletes to promote your custom socks or make a video for your custom software. This can lead to a significant cost savings for businesses, allowing them to invest more in other ideas of their operations. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to ChatGPT's applicability in the e-commerce industry. If you're an e-commerce business, it's definitely worth considering how you can use ChatGPT to improve your operations and stay ahead of the competition. Education is a fundamental aspect of our society, and it's crucial for the development of individuals and communities. ChatGPT can be used to create personalized lesson plans, generate interactive quizzes, and even help students to study more efficiently. It can even be used to help teachers to grade assignments and provide feedback more quickly. And let's be real, many students are already actively using ChatGPT to write essays and even cheat during exams. But in the coming months, more and more students are going to follow this approach. This raises an important question for education institutes. Should we consider how we educate people and elevate their performance? So whether you're a student or a teacher, keep an eye on ChatGPT and let's see how we can take education to the next level. Copywriting is an art of creating written content that persuades and influences people to take a specific action. It's a crucial aspect of any business, whether it's through advertising, product descriptions, or even website content. But with the introduction of ChatGPT, the game has changed. This AI technology has the ability to analyze billions of data points and generate high-quality, persuasive copy at lightning speed. Coming up with fresh, original ideas for your writing is a daily struggle for copywriters. But thanks to ChatGPT, you are no longer constrained by writer's block. Simply enter your ideas, and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. But you might be wondering, does this mean that AI is going to replace human copywriters? Well, not necessarily. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it still requires human input and creativity to produce the best results. It's not about replacing human copywriters, but rather it's about augmenting their abilities and helping them produce better and more effective copy. Now, you may be wondering how this technology applies to the legal industry. Well, let me tell you. It has the potential to revolutionize the way lawyers and legal teams work. One of the primary ways ChatGPT can do this is by helping lawyers search through case law and legal documents more efficiently. Think about it. Lawyers often spend countless hours combing through legal documents trying to find a specific case or law that may be relevant to their current case. With ChatGPT, they can simply input a question or request and have the relevant information pulled up for them in seconds. This not only saves time, but also helps to ensure that lawyers are using the most current and relevant information in their case. But it's not just searching through legal documents that ChatGPT can assist with. It can also help with legal research, document drafting, and even legal analytics. This can save legal teams a significant amount of time and resources, allowing them to focus on more important tasks. In short, ChatGPT has the potential to greatly improve the legal industry by making it more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective. It can assist lawyers in their work, but it cannot replace the human element of the legal profession. Another way ChatGPT can disrupt the entertainment industry is through music composition. With its ability to analyze billions of data points, ChatGPT can help generate new and unique melodies, chord progressions, and even entire songs. This can be a huge time saver for musicians, songwriters, and music producers who are looking to create new and original content. ChatGPT can also be used in the gaming industry by creating nonlinear and branching narratives, providing players with different paths and choices that depend on their decisions and actions. So, is ChatGPT the future of the entertainment industry? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume entertainment. First, let's define what the software engineering and IT industry is. This industry encompasses the development, design, and maintenance of computer software, systems, and networks. It also includes the use of technology to solve problems and improve processes in various industries. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT could disrupt this industry. One of the main ways is through its ability to write code. ChatGPT can be trained to write code in various programming languages. This could lead to a decrease in demand for human software engineers and an increase in demand for ChatGPT. Another way ChatGPT could disrupt the industry is through its ability to automate repetitive tasks. ChatGPT can be trained to perform tasks such as data entry, bug fixing, and testing. With ChatGPT's ability to automate repetitive tasks, human professionals can focus more on complex and creative tasks, such as developing new software and improving existing systems. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines the use of statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to extract insights and knowledge from data. The field of data science is all about using data to extract insights and make decisions. This can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, especially when it comes to analyzing large data sets. But with ChatGPT, data scientists can now use the tool to quickly process and analyze data, which can lead to faster and more accurate insights. One of the key areas where ChatGPT is having the biggest impact is in the field of natural language processing. This is the process of analyzing text data, such as customer reviews, social media posts, and other forms of unstructured data. With ChatGPT, data scientists can now quickly analyze large amounts of text data and extract insights that were previously impossible to uncover. Additionally, it can also help to automate many time-consuming tasks such as data cleaning and feature extraction. While the tool has the potential to disrupt the industry, it also has the potential to create new opportunities and lead more accurate and faster insights. ChatGPT can be used in the healthcare industry through patient diagnosis and treatment. By using this tool, doctors and medical professionals can put symptoms and medical history to receive a list of potential diagnosis and treatment options. This could greatly improve the accuracy and speed of diagnosis, which in turn could lead to better patient outcomes. One of the main ways that ChatGPT can disrupt the public relations industry is by automating a lot of the tasks that are currently done by human employees. For example, ChatGPT can be used to automatically generate press releases, social media posts, and other types of content. This can save a lot of time and resources for public relations professionals, allowing them to focus on more important tasks such as building relationships with stakeholders and managing crises. With the ability to automate tasks, provide data-driven insights, and analyze large amounts of data, ChatGPT can help public relations professionals make better decisions. Now, when it comes to the research industry, ChatGPT has the potential to completely revolutionize the way we gather and analyze data. Think about it. Imagine being able to quickly and easily search through thousands of academic papers with just a few simple inputs. ChatGPT can help researchers to find the most relevant information and save hours of time that would have been spent sifting through irrelevant data. ChatGPT can also assist with data analysis by providing insights and recommendations based on the data it has analyzed. This can help researchers to draw more accurate conclusions and make more informed decisions. But it's not just limited to academic research. ChatGPT can also be used in market research and even political polling. The application of ChatGPT in these areas could lead to more accurate and reliable data, which can ultimately lead to better decision-making. Google it. We've all heard it before, and for over 2 decades, we've relied on search engines to find information on the internet. But what if there was a new way to find answers to our questions? For over 20 years, we have grown accustomed to using search engines by typing in keywords to find information on the internet. However, with ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, the future of search may change. With the potential for cost-efficient training and real-time internet analysis, ChatGPT allows for a more natural and conversational way to interact with a machine, making it easier for people to find answers to their questions. This could revolutionize the industry. In today's fast-paced business world, companies are constantly looking for ways to improve efficiency and stay ahead of the competition. One technology that's poised to have a big impact on the industry is generative AI, like ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, companies can automate repetitive tasks, such as customer service, data entry, and even content creation. This frees up employees to focus on more important tasks, ultimately increasing productivity and efficiency. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT and other generative AI tools have the potential to transform the business industry, companies must approach them with caution and have a clear understanding of their limitations and potential risks. From content creation to advertising, software engineering to healthcare, and research to search engines. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. As we've seen, ChatGPT has the potential to automate repetitive tasks, provide valuable insights, and generate personalized content. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is not a replacement for human creativity, but rather a tool to assist and enhance it. As the technology continues to evolve, it's crucial for individuals and businesses to stay informed and adapt to the changes that will inevitably come with the integration of ChatGPT in various industries. However, it's also important to consider the ethical implications of this technology and ensure that it is used in a responsible and fair manner. In conclusion, ChatGPT has the potential to bring out significant positive change across various industries, but it's up to us to ensure that this change is for the betterment of society. Stay tuned for more videos discussing the latest technology and AI advancements, and see how ChatGPT will continue to disrupt and revolutionize industries in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one.